Hey guys, what's up? Meet Fire Alpaca, a completely free, lightweight digital painting software for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating system. It comes with an easy-to-use interface, customizable brushes, layers, a unique 3D perspective tool, comic, animation, and manga templates, and support for drawing tablets. The second software is Krita, the ultimate free and open source digital painting program available on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. It comes packed with over 100 preloaded brushes, animation tools, robust layer management, and support for drawing tablets. You can create digital paintings on complex animations, comics, designs, etc. using Krita. The last software is called Paint.net, a completely free, lightning fast digital painting software for Windows. It features layers, color adjustment tools, special effects, and various other tools. Its clean, beginner-friendly interface makes it easy to use. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.